Alright, in this lesson I'll take you through the process of installing a new library called pandas datareader, and we'll be using this library throughout this module to fetch a financial data set from the internet. So what pandas datareader does is query an online source. In this case we'll be using Google Finance, and we'll just use it to basically create a data frame from scratch that's pulled from the internet. Pandas datareader actually used to be part of pandas itself, but because it grew so extensive, the development team split it into its own separate library. So let's begin by opening a new terminal window. I have it on my dock, as should you, and I'm just going to left click it and select new window. Or if you don't have it open, you can just click on it and it'll launch something like this. We have to begin, of course, with our source activate command to trigger a Conda environment, and our default one where we have all of our libraries is root. So I'm going to execute this, and we'll see root appear to the left here. So now we're in our root Anaconda environment where we have all of our Anaconda libraries, and we want to install a brand new one. We know that the command for that is conda install, and then I'm going to enter the name of my library, and it's going to be pandas datareader. So datareader is by itself, no spaces, and then there is a hyphen or a dash between pandas and datareader. I'm going to execute this. Let's see what happens. I may already have it installed, in which case I'm going to get something like you already have all prerequisites satisfied, but looks like I don't actually. So if you get something like this, you can see just confirming that you have everything you need. And if you get a message like this, enter Y for yes. It's going to install all of that. And now if I try the command again, let's see what happens if I already have it installed. It's going to say all requested packages already installed, and we can see pandas datareader along with its current version is going to be listed right here. My root environment is actually set up to be Python 2.7. Yours should be Python 3.5, so you can ignore this. As long as it says all requested packages already installed and it says pandas datareader, you should be all good. So now that we've installed it, we're ready to import our financial data set, and I'll take you through the method that we'll be doing that with in the next lesson.